ladies, are you just nonstop tired? Today we are going to be talking about where you focus your energy, making a huge difference in your daily life. So stay tuned. Get started, if you are a network marketer and you are looking to up your game in visibility, you need to make sure that you have the right tools in your toolbox so that you can make that happen. Make sure you visit my website, monicaperezburnett.com, to get your 10 life-saving branding apps for the busy network marketer. All right, let's get into how to manage your energy. Your energy is such a valuable resource that you have on a daily basis. And in a podcast, I heard this great analogy that I think helps to understand the amount of energy we have on a daily basis a little bit better. So it's almost like, let's use numbers. Let's say you had every day that you woke up a level of 100 in energy. You get to, on a daily basis, choose where you are going to distribute that energy, how you are going to use it up every single day. The thing is that we end up, if we sat back and actually wrote down how we lived our day, you will see that a lot of our energy is spent on things that either are not important or just not worth our time or mental space. So let's take a look and be super intentional about how we use what we have. So for example, are you going to use part of your energy worrying about how your business is going to run, how you're not getting any customers, how your team members aren't working? Or are you going to use that same amount of energy looking at what the possibilities are in terms of how you can grow your business? Should I use that energy to give me the motivation to go out and do a live video that will attract more people to me and make them feel like I am their friend and that they can trust me and build a long-lasting relationship with them? Am I going to use up my energy maybe eating unhealthy foods that are not only going to not help me be healthier, but basically drain the small amount of energy that I have anyways? And you know those roller coaster rides that sugar highs and lows can bring you. So are we going to use our energy on that? There are times when we face the day from the moment we open our eyes already with a depleted amount of energy. We aren't at 100 because we didn't get a good night's sleep. Do we need to go to bed earlier the night before so that we can feel well rested? Or even turn off our devices a few hours before we go to bed so that our brain can know it's actually time to sleep? Because it does take the extra time even after you've turned off your device for your brain to say, okay, it is bedtime. What are the things that we are doing right now that are depleting that 100%? That we should be starting off with? Are we giving our body the food that we need to increase that energy, or is it just depleting it more? Today is a day to reflect, to sit down and actually look at where we are investing our energy on a daily basis. I know it's a busy time. Look, I have 8 kids, 2 sets of young twins. I know how hard it can be to take time for ourselves. But the truth is, if we don't do this and we are not aware of where we are investing our time and energy and where we could invest it better or replace it with something else that's going to keep us in a better healthy place, in a better mind place, in a better spiritual place, whatever it may be, it is super important for us to make that a priority. We cannot fill other people's cups without filling ours first. And if our cup is not 100% and is already at 50 from the moment we wake up, it's going to be a hard day. And by the end of the day, you know what happens. When mom is not happy, no one's happy. So let's make sure that we do what we need to do to keep this smile on our face every single day. I hope this was of benefit to you, at least a little reminder of how we need to take care of ourselves better. I hope that you enjoyed this, and apart from learning skills that are going to help our lives, I also love teaching tech and personal branding and all of the different things that are going to help round out your brand, because it's not just your logo and your colors, it's who you are. And we are going to learn to foster and feed who you are every single time I come on here so that you can shine your light to the world and share your gifts. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. I'll see you next time.